Hello friends, I am Kavita ma'am. Now already we learned what is meant by integer in our previous video. Okay, I hope all you watched that video. If you not watched, then please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my channel. You will get that video also. Okay. Now see, today we are going to learn addition of integers. Okay. Now this point is very important point. Please students, please just watch properly this video and just please understand this video. Why? Because many students, I said many students are lacking behind because of that sign only. Maths is the subject, if where that sign or numbers change, then all your answer will be changed. So please just pay attention properly. Okay, now today we are going to learn the addition of integers. Now integers means we know that, okay, integers means what? The group of whole number and negative numbers. Okay, means the group of positive number, negative number and zero. Okay, because zero is not having signs. So now listen, always remember, now while solving, now many times I saw that the students how they are remembering this. Okay, and while adding or subtracting the integers, means whatever operations are there on integers, how always they are saying that ma'am, yes, positive, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, like this. With that sign they are always remember that. Okay, or sign they are keeping in their mind. Please students, don't do that, because of that only many students are confusing. So just if you want the nice marks in maths, or if you want to be clear your concept, okay, of integers, so always remember these two rules of while addition. Okay, means for addition, subtraction, same rule are there. Okay, one again in this subtraction, one only your rule will include, that we will see afterward. Okay, but for addition and subtraction, always remember these two rules. Okay, now see, don't remember that plus minus minus. Don't do that, because I saw that many students are same, they are doing that. Okay, so please don't do that. सी, जब भी आपको याद रखना है तो आपको ये दो रूल ही याद रखने हैं व्हाइल एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. ओके, अगर आप वो साइन याद रखोगे तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग होगा एंड यू विल कंफ्यूज. सो प्लीज ये रूल याद रखो. सी, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज द रूल्स. फर्स्ट रूल, ओके, व्हाइल एडिशन आई एम टेलिंग यू. ओके, व्हाइल एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर, when same sign are there, same sign means what? If whenever we are adding two numbers, okay, if both number having same sign means what? Plus, both number are positive or both number are negative. Okay, that time what we have to do? We have to add that numbers. And we have to give for answer, whatever answer will come, we have to give the big number sign. Means from the two numbers, whatever big number is there, that number sign we have to give for answer. Okay, same if different sign is there. Okay, now if question will be add, but if different sign is there, then also you have to subtract. Don't think that question is add. Okay, question is of addition and we are doing subtraction. No, see, always remember, whenever different sign is there, then we have to subtract that two numbers. Okay, whether the question is addition, question is add, then also we have to subtract that two numbers. Okay, why? Because they are having different sign. Okay, and same for answer, you have to give the big number sign. Okay, what are the two rules? Always remember, always keep in your mind these two rules, that if same sign are there of two numbers, okay, if two numbers having same sign, then we have to add that numbers and you have to give big number sign to that answer. Okay, and if different sign is there, then you have to subtract that two numbers and you have to give the big number sign. Okay, just see, we will see the example. See, here I took same numbers, means you will understand what is, if sign is changing. Okay, then your answer also it will change. Now see, add, the question is what? Add the following. Now one simple number I took, see, 4 plus 3. Now already we know the addition. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is what? 7. It will come plus 7. See, now 4 not having sign means it have plus sign. And see, now always remember students, one thing always remember. Now 3 here, okay, this plus sign is what? This is addition sign. Okay, but always remember, now this addition sign is in front of this 3. Okay, now it becomes the 3 sign. Okay, so 4 is positive 4 plus positive 3. Your answer will come positive 7. Okay, this plus sign, if you want to write, then you can write, or it is not necessary. Okay, plus sign. Now see here also, because same sign is there, so what you have to do, see, while according to our rule, both number having same sign is 4 also positive and 3 also positive. So if same sign is there, we have to add this number. So 4 plus 3 7, and we have to give big number sign. 4 is big and 4 having means nothing is there means 4 having plus sign. So for answer you got plus sign, plus 7. Now same here, see, minus 4 and minus 3 means negative 4 and negative 3. Both number are negative means both number have same sign. So what we have to do? We have to add this. So 4 plus 3 same, okay. 4 plus 3 7 and big number sign. Now don't see this big number means this minus 3 is big, okay. Here we have to see the general number. Now 4 is bigger, okay. So 4 having which sign? Minus sign. So minus, for answer it is minus 7. Why? Big number sign we have to give. Okay, always remember, don't think that minus 3 is bigger and minus 4 is smaller. Don't think. While addition and subtraction, just keep in your mind. Why? Because if you want to solve it in easy way, then think like that. 4 is big and 3 is small. So 4 having minus sign. So for answer also we give minus, okay, negative sign. Now here see, both numbers are different, okay. 4 having negative sign and 3 having positive sign. Now, if different sign is there, what we are doing, see here. If different sign is there, then we have to subtract. The question is add the following. Then too we have to subtract these numbers. Why? Because they are having different sign. So 4 minus 3. The answer is what? 1. And big number. Now here big number is what? 4. 4 is bigger and 4 having which sign? Minus sign. So minus. Answer is minus 1. What I done here? See. Okay, now we know that positive numbers are bigger and negative numbers are smaller. But then too, while addition and subtraction, don't think that positive number, negative number. Just see only the numbers, okay, without sign. Just think. 4 and 3, they are having different sign. Okay, so we have to subtract. Okay, and while giving sign to answer, okay, just see which number having, now 4 is bigger. So 4 having minus sign or negative sign. So for answer we are giving big number sign. So answer is minus 1. Now same example, but I gave this minus sign or negative sign to 3. Okay, so see, 4 plus minus 3. It means what? Now both are different sign. 4 is positive and 3 is negative. It means what we have to do? Different sign. So subtract. 4 minus 3, it is 1 and positive, see, positive sign, right? 4 is bigger and 4 are having positive sign, or not, sign is not there, it means it is positive sign. So big number sign means your answer will come plus. See students, what is the difference between these two examples? Here for 4 negative sign is there and here for 3 negative sign is there, but answer is come what? See here minus 1 and here plus 1. Why? Because big number sign we are giving to answer. Okay, always remember this students, this you understand what? Always remember these two rules, that if the two numbers having same sign, so we have to add that two numbers, and if that two numbers having the different sign, then we have to subtract that number. Okay, whether that question is addition, then also we have to subtract that numbers. Now see, 4 plus 3 both having positive numbers, so our answer came 7, means we have to add this number and give big number sign, means plus 7. Here same, minus 4 minus 3 both number having same sign, so we have to add this number 4 plus 3 7 and give big number sign. So big number is 4, 4 having negative sign, so negative. Okay, same here, minus 4 plus 3. Okay, both having different signs, so our rule is what? Different sign is subtraction you have to do. So 4 minus 3 1 and big number is 4 having minus sign. So this minus sign we are giving to this answer. Same here, 4 plus minus 3. Now 4 both having different signs, so subtraction. 4 minus 3 1 and see positive sign, okay, is for big number, so we are giving positive. If numbers, now here 3 digit I give, okay, 3 numbers I give. So how to solve these 3 numbers? Now see, first always remember, one by one we will solve. First we will solve these 2 numbers. Okay, now see here 6 is plus and 2 is negative, okay, or minus. Now different sign, both having different signs, so what we have to do? Different signs, so subtraction. Simply subtract 6 minus 2, what we will get? 4. Okay, and big number sign is what? 6 having positive, nothing sign is positive sign. You can write plus 4, or if you not write plus sign then also okay, but negative sign is necessary. Okay, and now you can take this plus 3 down. stepwise we will solve. Okay, now 4 plus 3 both having positive sign. 4 plus 3 7, answer is plus 7. Okay, what I done here, see, we have to solve stepwise. First we are solving these two numbers, 6 both having the different sign, so we subtract that. 6 minus 2 4 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 7. Got it? Now listen, again one example I will take. If I am taking just see minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2, like this we will do. Okay, just see now. See here, minus 5 minus 3. First these two will solve. Okay, minus 5 minus 3 both having same sign. So same sign means we have to add this number. 5 plus 3 8. Okay, only numbers you have to add 8. Now give big number sign. Now here 5 is big. Okay. So 5 is big. So 5 having negative sign. So negative sign. Now you can take this minus to downside. So plus minus 2. Now minus 8 minus 2 same sign again. So same sign means addition. Okay, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, and see big number sign 8 is big. 8 having negative sign, so negative sign for answer. Understand students what I done here? See, in both example, first 6 and 6 plus minus 2 is there. These both number are different signs. Okay, so if they are having different signs, so we have to subtract that number. 6 minus 2 4 and give big number sign. 6 having positive sign, so positive, and plus 3 you can take downside then. 4 plus 3 7. Okay, same here, minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 both having same sign. So what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. So 5 plus 3 8 and big number sign is minus 8. Okay, now minus 2 you can take downside, both having same sign. Minus 8 minus 2 means we have to add 8 minus 2. Okay, 8 and 2 it is 10, and big number 8 having negative sign, so negative sign for answer. Understand student? You can solve now. Add means example you can solve by this method. Always remember these two rules. Don't remember by that sign. Okay, I know that many students are